Good morning, students. We'll start our maths class. Already we have started in the last class time lesson. So all of you take out 123, page number 123. Two mains we have already done. Exercise 1. Exercise 1 and 2 we have already finished. We'll start from the third main, filling the blanks they have given. First one you see. The minute hand moves dash minutes when it moves from 12 to 1. So they have given the minute hand moves dash minutes when it moves from 12 to 1. So a clock, you have seen a clock, yes or no? 12. Like this, you can see a clock. Now, what is this one? See, the minute hand moves. This is what the long hand is the minute hand. The short hand is the hour hand. To go from this side to this side, you can see 5 lines. Yes or no? So, how many times it will go? 5 times it will go. Yes or no? So, the minute hand moves dash minutes when it moves from 12 to 1. So, how many times it will go? 60 times. So, 60 minutes. 1 minute, how many times it will take? So, a thin line will be there. Have you seen now in a clock? So, to go from one point to another one point, it will go 1 rotation. Yes or no? So, how many times it will go? 60 times. 1 full round means 60 minutes. It takes how much? 60 minutes when it moves from 12 to 1. Next, second one. The hour hand. The hour hand makes dash round in 1 day. When explanation I have told, the hour hand makes dash round in 1 day. How many times it will go? The hour hand, it will go 2 times, 2 rounds in 1 day. So 12. So how much numbers is this there? 1 to 12. So 12 plus 12 is how much? 24. In 1 day, how many hours will be there? 1 day, 24 hours. 1 day, how many hours? 24 hours. But the hour hand makes 2 rounds. It will go how many times? 2 rounds in 1 day. So 1 day, 12. See here, 12 plus 12 is how much? 24. 24 in 1 day, how many hours are there? 24 hours are there. Understood all of you? So 2 rounds. Write down 2 rounds. Third one. When the hour hand is on 8 and the minute hand is on 12. The time is dash clock. So what they have told here, when the hour hand means the short hand. The short hand, it is towards 8. It is towards 8. See here, read the statement. When the hour hand is on 8 and the minute hand means the long hand is on 12. If it is on 12, what is the time now? It is 8 o'clock. So write down 8 here. When the hour hand is on 8 and the minute hand means long hand, is on 12, the time is 8 o'clock. Fourth one, 1 hour dash minutes. 1 hour is equal to dash minutes. How many minutes? 60 minutes. Fifth one, 1 minute dash seconds. How many seconds? 60 seconds. 1 hour, 60 minutes, 1 minute, 60 seconds. So copy down fast. Finished? Next one, see. Time half past or 30 minutes past. Here they have given 30 minutes past means what? So now for example, now what is the time now? It is 8 o'clock. Now 30 past means what you are doing? See here. This long hand, it is pointing towards 6. So what is the time now? It is 8:30. So here time half past or 30 minutes past. You can see here a clock they have given. They have shaded only so much half past. Half means it is in yellow in color. So 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock half means how much? 8:30. Understood? Or they may give half past or 30 minutes past. Here, when the minute hand is at 6, it is showing towards 6. When the minute hand means the long hand. The long hand, when it is showing towards 6, the time is half past to the hour or 30 minutes past to the hour. Now, for example, I have shown this one. Another one you see. Example. Minute hand means the long hand. Minute hand means what? The long hand. Now, half means what? Now 8 o'clock. Now for example, 8 o'clock, half means what? 8:30. Half means what? 8:30. Now for example, I will take 3:30. So 3:30, how you will do? See here. Every time when it is indicating towards 6, the long hand, if it is indicating towards 6, and the hour hand, if it is showing any numbers, so that is called as what? When it is indicating towards 6, that is half past or 30 minutes past. So now what is the time now? The short hand, it is showing 3. The long hand, it is showing 6. So what is the time now? 3:30. It is what? 3:30. Understood all of you? What do you mean by half past? See here now, for example, another one I will show. Now, 1:30. 1 means short hand. I am showing towards 1. The long hand, it is indicating 6. So what is the time now? It is 1:30. It is what? 1:30. Or you may also call half past. Half past means half an hour finished. 8:30. 8 o'clock now. After 8:30 means half an hour finished. So see here, time half past or 30 minutes past. When the minute hand is at 6, the minute hand means the long hand, if it is showing towards 6, the time is half past to the hour or 30 minutes past to the hour. When the hour hand is between 1 and 2, the time is half past 1 or 1:30. Now, for example, I have shown this one here. Now, it is towards the short hand, it is showing towards 1. The long hand, it is indicating towards 6. So, what is the time now? It is 1:30. It is what? 1:30. See here. when the hour hand is between 1 and 2, the time is 1:30 or 1:30. It is what? 1:30. When the short hand it is showing 1 and the long hand it is towards 6. So it is called as what? 1:30. Next, in the next page, exercise 2, you see. Exercise 2. All understood now? 1/2 means, what do you mean by 1/2? 30 minutes finished. 8:30, 1:30, 2:30, that is called as what? 1/2. See here. First main, write the time shown by each of the clock. Here they have given the picture of the clock. Seeing that one, you have to write the time. First one you see. First one already they have done. Now, you can see the first one, it is in between 3 and 4. It is between 3 and 4. Here, the long hand, it is showing towards 6. So, it is in between 3 and 4 means what is the time now? It is 3:30. It is what? 3:30. Now, in numbers you have written, in the both the ways you have to write. So one way is what? 3:30 you have written. Now the another one is what? 3:30. 3:30. Another one example I will give. Here I will draw a clock. 12, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2. Now, this, it is in between. One is in between 1 and 2. So, 1 and 2, it is between the short hand. The long hand, it is indicating 6. So, what is that time now? It is 1:30. It is what? 1:30. How you will write this one in words? This is in numbers. You will write 1:30 in numbers. The another way you have to write 1/2. 1/2. 1/2 means half an hour finished. 1:30. So what is the time now? 1:30. 1 and 2 in between this one we have written. See here, 1 and 2 in between this one I have written the short hand. The long hand, it is indicating 6. So what is the time now? 1:30. So 1/2. 1/2. You understood this one now? 1/2. 1 in between 1 and 2 it is there, the short hand. The long hand, it is indicating 6. So what is the time now? 1:30. In numbers you will write 1:30 like this. So like in words, how you will write? 1/2. 1/2 means 1:30. Understood all of you? The third one, second one you see. First one, it is already done in your textbook. This one 1:30 I explained you. Understood? Once again, don't get confused. It is not there in your textbook. The second one, we'll do the second one. Here, the second one, it is between 8 and 7. 8 and 7, the short hand. The long hand, it is indicating 6. So what is the time now? It is 8:30. It is what? 8:30. Understood all of you? In between these two numbers, the short hand should be there. The long hand should indicate 6. The long hand should indicate 6. Here also you can see in between 1 and 2 it is there. The short hand, the long hand, it is indicating 6. So the time is 1:30 here. Here in between 8 and 7 it is there. I have indicated what, sorry, 8 and 9, sorry, 8 and 9. So here the shorthand, it is indicating 8 and 9. So what is the time now? The long hand, it is indicating 6. So what is the time now? 8:30. So how you will write in another one way? Half past 8. Half past 8. It is what? Half past 8. In between 8 and 9 it is there. Understood all of you? 8 and 9 it is there. So 8 it is showing. So 8, the short hand, the long hand, it is indicating 30. So it is 30 means what tables? You know now 5 ones are tables. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30. So 8:30. Write down second one. Next, C1. So what is the time now? You can see 7:30. In between these two numbers are there. So 7:30. How you will write in words? Half past 7. Half past 7. C1. Half past 7. Next, the short hand, it is indicating 9. The long hand, it is indicating 6. So what is the time? Between 9 and 10. 9 and 10. So what is the time there? 9:30. Half past 9. Half past 9. Write down. Finished? The next one, draw hour hand and minute hand according to the time given below. The second one you see, hour hand means short hand, minute hand means the long hand according to the time given below. So time they have given, you have to see the time and write the hands, short hand and the long hand. The first one you see, all understood now this one, the half past 10, half past 7 means 7:30, 8:30, like that. Understood all of you? Second one, first one you see, they have given 11:30. 11:30 means how you will draw in between these two numbers, you have to draw the short hand. You have to draw the short hand. 6:30 means 11:30 means you have to draw 6. Between these two numbers, you have to draw the short hand. The long hand should be direct towards 6. So what is the time? 11:30. First one you do. First one you do. Second one. The second one you see, they have given 5:30. 5:30 means between 5 and 6. You should draw the short hand. The long hand should towards 6. Compared to this one, the short hand should be little short compared to the long hand. Don't draw equally. Don't draw equally. So the short hand should be little smaller. The long hand should be little bigger. So between 5 and 6, you have to draw the short hand. The long hand should be towards 6. Next, C1. (8:30). 8:30 means between 8 and 9. Between 8 and 9, short hand. The long hand should be towards 6. Between 8 and 9, the short hand should drawn. The long hand should be towards 6. So what is the time? 8:30. Third one. 8:30. Finished? D1. $4:30 they have given. 4:30 means between 4 and 5. You have to draw the short line. The long hand should be towards 6. Understood? 4:30 means between 4 and 5. The short hand should indicate. The long hand should indicate 6. So that is 4:30. Draw it. Finished all of you? I hope all understood this one. Half past, 30 minutes past means half an hour. Now, half an hour, 8:30, like that it is 7:30. So this is what half past half past 30, half an hour past. So here they have also given the diagram. You can see here, yellow color they have shaded, no? Yes or no? 8 o'clock means how you will show? 8 should be indicate, the short hand will indicate 8, the long hand will indicate 12. 8:30, 8 o'clock means. 8:30 means the long hand will indicate towards 6. So it is between what? 8 and 9. 8 and 9, like that it will be showing. Understood? Completely it will not be directly towards 8. No. Here you see 1 and 2. In between 1 and 2, the short hand you have to indicate. The long hand should be indicate towards 6. Don't get confused. Okay. At home you have to practice this one. Okay. Thank you, students.